Right here we have hot point, and this is stuck on child lock. So now I'm going to show you how I figured out the child lock on this particular hot point cooktop. If you can turn this on, awesome. There. Here we are. It shows this timer and it's stuck on child lock. Okay, and that won't do anything. It doesn't matter if I press it 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, it's not going to do anything. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the solution for this one. You will need one of these screwdrivers. This one here, close. You will need this screwdriver because you're going to open it from the back. Now I'm going to unplug this one first. Okay, that's power off. Take it out. Flip it over here. Open all the screws. Okay. Right, I've got all the screws off. Put that aside. Okay, here we have the circuit board where there is your touch button. That one here. Okay, now I'll show you what's the actual problem here. This board is not sitting on properly. Look, it's a little bit loose. So if you press and hold this board from here, okay, and then turn it on from the power, turn it on. And now you see, I will press this button and it unlocks perfect. Turn it on and it works. Okay, so if I do this, turn it off, turn it back on, lock, no, that's locked now. If I leave that one there, it won't work. It won't work. Okay, so what you need to do, you need a bond. Do we have a bond here? Bond, you know, you can use super glue, anything, just to hold the board, down there. Make sure that it doesn't come up even a little bit, and then close everything back. Your electronic circuit board, everything is perfectly fine. Nothing's wrong. This is the only problem, and the company is trying to charge you a lot of money for this one, apparently £175. So you don't want to pay that. This is the best solution I've found. I've looked all the forums and nothing helped, and this is the only solution. Thank you.